Hey there, culinary maestros and food enthusiasts. It's time to embark on a flavorful journey into the world of the aluminium dumpling mold, the essential tool that's about to make your homemade dumplings a work of art. Picture this: you're in your kitchen, feeling inspired to create the most mouth-watering dumplings. But here's the secret ingredient to taking your dumplings from delicious to dazzling: this incredible aluminium dumpling mold. At first glance, it's not just a mold, it's like a work of art itself, a sculpture for your kitchen. But it's not just about looks, it's about revolutionizing your dumpling making game. This mold is like having a dumpling making expert by your side. It's versatile, efficient, and incredibly easy to use. You can craft dumplings like a pro, and the results? Well, they're nothing short of perfection. We're talking about uniform, beautifully shaped dumplings that look as good as they taste. The aluminum build ensures that it's robust and built to last. No more fumbling with uneven edges or mismatched sizes. This mold takes your dumpling presentation to the next level. Throughout this video, we'll show you just how versatile this mold is, from classic dumplings to creative culinary creations. It's not just a mold, it's a gateway to culinary excellence. Don't miss out on this journey into the world of the aluminium dumpling mold, where innovation meets gastronomy, and your dumplings become the stars of your dining table. Hit that like button, subscribe for more culinary wisdom, and let's craft dumpling perfection together.